hold on to your hats. The AI race is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Anthropic, the company behind the increasingly popular Claude chatbot, might be gearing up for an IPO that could rival some of the biggest tech debuts we've ever seen. This could be a game changer, but it also raises some serious questions about the future of AI investment. According to a recent report in the Financial Times, Anthropic is in the early stages of preparing for a potential initial public offering, IPO, as early as next year. To navigate this complex process, they've reportedly enlisted the help of the prestigious law firm Wilson Sonsini Goodrich & Rosati. This firm has a stellar track record, having advised on the IPOs of tech giants like Google, LinkedIn, and Lyft. Think of it as hiring the all-star team to guide you through the biggest game of your life. But here's where it gets controversial. The Financial Times report, citing unnamed sources familiar with the matter, also suggests that Anthropic is simultaneously pursuing a private funding round. This round could potentially value the company at over $300 billion, with Microsoft and Nvidia reportedly committing a combined $15 billion. Some experts believe this dual-track approach, exploring both private funding and a public offering, signals Anthropic's ambition to aggressively expand and cement its position in the AI market. Other experts view this maneuver as a way to extract maximum value from investors, both private and public. What do you think? The report further states that Anthropic has engaged in preliminary and informal discussions with major investment banks regarding a potential IPO. It's important to remember that these are just initial conversations, but they indicate that Anthropic is seriously considering going public. If Anthropic does proceed with an IPO, it would likely put them in direct competition with OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, which is also rumored to be preparing for a public offering. Talk about a showdown. This potential race to the market raises a critical question. Are investors ready to pour billions into AI startups, especially those that are currently operating at a loss? And this is the part most people miss. The success of these IPOs will largely depend on investor confidence in the long-term profitability and sustainability of these AI companies, particularly amid growing concerns about an AI bubble. Now, for a dose of caution. When contacted by the Financial Times, an Anthropic spokesperson stated that while the company operates as if it were publicly traded, a fairly standard practice for companies of its scale and revenue, no decisions have been made regarding the timing or even the certainty of going public. This statement adds a layer of uncertainty, reminding us that these plans are still fluid. CNBC was unable to reach Anthropic and Wilson Sonsini for comment. The Financial Times report highlights several recent developments at Anthropic, including the hiring of Krishna Rao, a former Airbnb executive who played a pivotal role in Airbnb's successful 2020 IPO. This strategic hire suggests that Anthropic is bringing in experienced professionals to prepare for a potential public offering. Furthermore, CNBC recently reported that Anthropic was valued in the range of $350 billion following investments of up to $5 billion from Microsoft and $10 billion from Nvidia. This valuation underscores the immense interest and confidence that major players have in Anthropic's potential. Anthropic is also investing heavily in infrastructure, announcing a $50 billion AI infrastructure build-out with data centers in Texas and New York, and tripling its international workforce. These moves demonstrate Anthropic's commitment to expanding its reach and capabilities in the AI space. According to the Financial Times, investors are enthusiastic about Anthropic's potential IPO, believing it could allow the company to seize the initiative from OpenAI. While OpenAI's CFO recently stated that the company is not pursuing a near-term listing, even after closing a $6.6 billion share sale, at a $500 billion valuation, the competition between these two AI giants remains fierce. So what do you think? Is Anthropic's potential IPO a sign of a healthy and thriving AI market, or a signal of an impending bubble? Will Anthropic successfully seize the initiative from OpenAI, or will OpenAI maintain its dominant position? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below.